Hi, this is 2015 Maserati Ghibli, and this video we're gonna show you how to remove the center console with the gear shift. So before you open this panel, you will need to pop this cover out. You might need to use a sharp like a knife or from the gap to pop this cover out, and inside you will see a screw like a torque. Not a torque, it's a special type of shape on the screw here. So this type of screw with a 6 corner. So after you have this removed, then you can lift up the gear shift all the way up, and it will comes out, and you can see inside there will be another connector to connect this plug. So, and then after that you will need to use a popper panel to pop this both side out, and also the back to lift up the panel. And once you have this lift up, you turn around, we show you the metal clips. You need to put some towel on your vehicle to avoid any scratch. So basically there will be 2 metal clips at the front, 2 metal clips in the middle, and 2 more at the end that close to the armrests. So in total there will be 6 clips that you need to pop it out. And this was the USB and aux connections for the factory systems. And all the connector that have on this vehicle, 1, 2, 3 connector that you need to connect. And here are the connector we just unplugged from it. So please remember, mark it down or take a picture before you disconnect the plug from the panel. Otherwise, if you plug it into the duplicate plug, like the same connector, that maybe end up to burn out something and you have trouble. So make sure all the connections that you unplug from the factory panel, you mark it on the connector or put a sticker on the wire to make sure the one it goes to the right place. So the main idea, because this is the wireless charging pad for phone, it cannot use the cup holder anymore after you replace the Android Tesla Android screen. So if you have any other question, please let us know or send us an email to tech@4x4Shop.ca. Thank you. After you have this part removed from the center console, this is the one for the gear shift and 2 cup holder, Maserati Ghibli. And before you remove, you need to disconnect few connector from this panel. After that, you will have 4 screw, basically 5 screw holding the cup holder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after you have all these 5 screw removed, you just need to remove this cup holder out, and this is how it looks like. So you don't need this one anymore. It will replace to the wireless charging pad. So we show you how to remove. So it was 1 cigarette lighter adapter on the original inside with the cup holder. So the way to remove, we will show you how to do it.
Okay, first we'll open this one. It is light.
This is the light, the ambient light
This
inside.
one place, and this one minus, this one positive. Okay. To remove this one, this small pin, supposed to push it in. And one more here.
So 2 metal clips on the
No,
side.
it's not metal, it's just plastic. Plastic piece.
Hold on 1 second, sir.
Just wait.
This is the pins. 1 and 2 here. This one. Here and here. You're gonna pull it out and pull it out. After that, just these 2 clips.
Yeah, hello, sir? Yeah.
And how to assemble it opposite way.
And then the way to put it back.
Just make sure it has a small pin here. It goes here, you see? And for this one, like this. Make sure contact is here. Here and here.
Okay, so this is how to remove the factory cigarette lighter adapter to a wireless charging pad. And this connector will connect to the factory connector that was connected to the cigarette lighter adapter, which is located here. Plug was here. So this is one part of how to remove the cigarette lighter and put it on the wireless charging pad. Thank you for watching.